Very good morning, students, and welcome back to the grammar classes. Today we are going to do a grammar lesson, singular and plural noun. A noun can refer to one or more than one person, place, animal, or thing. Such form of noun is called singular or plural form of noun. Singular noun. A noun that names one person, place, animal, or thing is called singular noun. Alright? In singular noun, we are going to talk about only one person, place, animal, or thing. For example, a boy, school, an elephant, pen, etc. Plural nouns. A noun that names more than one person, place, animal, or thing is called a plural noun. So when we name more than one person, place, animal, or thing, such form of noun is called plural nouns. For example, boys, schools, elephants, pens, etc. Now, let us see some examples of singular nouns and their plural forms. Got becomes gots. Bee becomes bees. Horse becomes horses. Rose becomes roses. Glass becomes glasses. Army becomes armies. Leaf becomes leaves. Hero becomes heroes. Foot becomes feet. Mouse becomes mice. Fish remains fish. In all these examples, we saw mostly the plural forms of noun are made by adding s at the end. Alright? But in some cases, we saw that there is some different rule followed for making plural of the singular forms. Now let us see what are the rules, what are the different rules for making singular and their plural forms. Rule number 1. The noun that ends in s, double s, sh, ch or x, we add es to the singular to make the plural form. Alright, let us see some example. Bus, it ends with s. So we add es to make its plural. Then bench ends with ch. So we add es to make the plural, that is benches. Class, double s. So classes. Dish, sh. So dishes. Box, it ends with x. So boxes. Bush, again ends with sh. So bushes. Alright. There is an important note in Rule 1, children. Okay. When the pronunciation of noun that ends with ch, okay, is as ka, then we add s, not es, to get the plural form. Suppose some noun ends with ch, okay, and the ch at the end is pronounced as ka. Alright, then we add s, not es, to make the plural form. Let us see some example. Stomach. Here, ch is pronounced as ka, stomach. Okay, so we add s to make the plural form, that is stomachs. Monarch. Alright, so here ch is pronounced as ka, so we add s to make the plural form, that is monarchs. Alright. Rule number 2. The noun that ends in o. Alright, it is for the nouns that ends with letter o. There are two conditions here, children. Okay, the first one is when there is a vowel before o, we add s to get the plural form. So whenever there is a vowel before the last letter o, we have to add s to get the plural form. Okay, for example, radio. In radio, we have I, the vowel before O. So we add S, radios, to make it a plural form. Bamboo. Here again, we have O as a vowel before the last letter O. So we add S to make the plural form. That is bamboos. Alright. Now condition number 2. When there is a consonant before O. Alright. Whenever there is a consonant before the last letter O, we have to add ES to get the plural form. We add ES. Alright. Let us see some example. Potato. Here we have the consonant T before O. So we add ES. That is potatoes. Mango. Again we have the consonant G. So we add ES and makes it mangoes. Hero. We have the consonant R. So we add ES. That is heroes. Alright. As I just said in the condition 2, that whenever there is a consonant before the last letter O, we have to add ES. Okay, but there are some exceptions. Alright. For example, logo. Here we have G, the consonant before O, but still we are going to add S to make its plural. Photo, photos. Piano, pianos. Alright, so we are adding S here to make the plural form. Though there is a consonant before O, but still for making their plurals, we are adding S. These are some exceptions in rule number 2. Okay. Rule number 3. Noun that ends in F or FE. We replace F or FE with VES. Alright, so we have to remove the F or FE from that noun, and in place of that we have to add VES. Okay, let us see some example. Thief, F at the end. So we replace F with VES and it becomes thieves. Knife, FE at the end. So we replace FE with VES and it becomes knives. Wolf, again F. So we replace F with VES and it becomes wolves. Calf, we replace F with VES and it becomes calves. Alright. Children, there are some exceptions in rule number 3 also. Alright. There are some nouns that ends with F, but we do not replace F with VES. Alright. So there are some examples. For example, proof. The plural is proofs. Roof, roofs. Chief, chiefs. Dwarf, dwarfs. Handkerchief, handkerchiefs. Alright. For these nouns which ends with F, we have to put S to make its plural. Alright. These are some exceptions. So you have to learn it by heart and your work will be done. Alright. Rule number 4. The noun that ends in Y. There are two conditions here also. Okay. The first one. When there is a vowel before Y, we add S to get the plural form. Alright. Whenever there is a vowel before the last letter Y, we have to add S to get the plural form. Okay. Let us see some examples. Toy, toys. Okay, here's a vowel before the last letter Y, so we add S and made it toys. Boy, boys. Key, keys. Day, days. Okay, here we had the vowel E, here we had the vowel A, so we added S to make the plural form. Now the second condition, when there is a consonant before Y, we replace Y with IES to get the plural form. So wherever there is a consonant before Y, we have to replace the Y with IES to get the plural form. Okay, let us see some examples. Story. So here we have the consonant R before Y. So we replace Y with IES and made the plural stories. country. Here we have the consonant R before Y. So we replace Y with IES and made it countries. Baby, the consonant B. So we replace Y with IES and we made it babies. City, the consonant T. So we replace Y with IES and made it cities. Okay. Rule number 5. Some nouns do not follow any rules to make their plurals. Alright. The plural is formed just by changing the inside vowel or vowels. Alright. There is no particular rule. Let us see some example. Like men. The plural is men. Here the vowel A is changed as E. Woman. The plural is women. Okay. Here again the vowel A is changed to E. Tooth. The plural is teeth. The vowel double O is changed to double E. Mouse. The plural is mice. The O and U vowels are changed with I. Goose. The plural is geese. The vowel double O changed with double E. Foot. The plural is feet. Again the vowels double O is changed with double E. Alright. So as I told you in the beginning, there is no rule for it. So for such nouns, you have to learn their plural forms. Okay. Rule number 6. By putting en or ren at the end, we make the plural form. There are some nouns. The plural form of such nouns are made by just putting en or ren at the end. Let us see some examples. Child, we add ren and make it children, the plural form of child. Ox, we add en, oxen, the plural form of ox. Brother, we add en, brethren, to make the plural form of brother. Okay, the plural form of brother is also brothers. So you can use any one of them. Alright. Rule number 7. For compound nouns, by adding s or en, we make the plural forms. Alright. So let us see some example of the compound nouns and their plural forms. Son-in-law. Okay. It's a compound noun. The plural form of son-in-law is sons-in-law. Okay, so here we just added s to son and made it sons-in-law. Brother-in-law. The plural is brothers-in-law. Alright, so we added s to the brother and made the plural form of brother-in-law. That is brothers-in-law. Mother-in-law. Again we added s to mother to make the plural form of mother-in-law. Stepson. Stepsons. We added s to son to make the plural of stepson. That is stepsons. Maid servant. The plural is maid servants. So we added s to servant to make the plural form of maid servant. That is maid servants. Okay. Rule number 8 and the final rule. Some nouns have same form in singular and plural. Okay. For some nouns, their form do not change in the plural form. Okay. Let us see some example. Sheep, fish, deer, species, aircraft, police, spacecraft, pain, dozen. Alright. These are some words whose plural form doesn't change. They remain same in the singular as well as in the plural form. Okay. Rule number 8 and the final rule. Some nouns have same form in singular and plural. Okay. For some nouns, their form do not change in the plural form. Okay. Let us see some example. Sheep, fish, deer, species, aircraft, police, spacecraft, pain, dozen. Alright, these are some words whose plural form doesn't change. They remain same in the singular as well as in the plural form. Okay? Okay, children. So this is it for today. I hope you liked the video and enjoyed learning about the singular and plural forms of noun. If you have any doubts or queries, feel free to write down in the query section. So we will meet again in another video lecture with some new topic. Till then, thank you very much and God bless you all.